It's pretty late here in India. I should better get some sleep. So let's work on the pending task and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Yeah? Okay. Good night. Bye.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good
Good
night,
night.
ciao. Good night.
Hey, here's Uki.
Hey, you are leaving so suddenly. Is everything alright?
Yeah. All okay. Just moving back to my hometown. Anyways, office are not going to open for a long time.
Okay, all the best.
Yeah, thank you. And sorry to bother you.
No problem. Godspeed.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you someone who wants to become a morning person? Are you someone who always misses the first class of the day? Are you someone who is late for every morning meeting? Then we have something that may help you. Kiko smartwatches now in India. With 4th generation Echo feature alarm that goes on up to an hour. With a battery backup of 2 weeks in a single charge. Kiko smartwatches. This will surely wake you up.